Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse a YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can delete vertices. So let's jump right into the video without wasting any second. So it's pretty simple. What you have to do basically is to hold shift, make sure you are in edit mode, press tab, and here we select vertex, select selection mode, and select, hold shift and select vertices. And now just right click, not right click, press X on your keyboard, and now select dissolve vertices, and now we delete it. You can also do it manually. So when you selected vertices, you go to mesh and then select, hover over delete, and here we select dissolve vertices, or you can press X if you want a shortcut. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any suggestions for the next tutorial, please let me know in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe for daily tutorials. I'll really appreciate that. Thank you.